Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Seaward Primary on 1 point, Naggo Head Primary on 5 points. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin. Our first face-off is in the category of mathematics. It's between Markeda Brown of Naggo Head Primary up against Jaleel Johnson of Seaward Primary. Markeda, we begin with you. Express the ratio 25 to 200 in the simplest form. Question passes to you, Jaleel. Would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's 1 to 8. Markeda, what's the area of a square if the length of one side is 9 centimeters?
36 centimeters squared.
That's incorrect. Jaleel, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's 81 centimeters squared. Markeda, what is 0.187 multiplied by 1,000?
187.
That's correct. What is 156 divided by 12?
13.
That's correct. What is 7 minus 2 5/6? Question passes to you, Jaleel. Want to try?
Yes, miss.
Go ahead. I need your answer right now, though, Jaleel. All right, no time for that answer. The correct answer is 4 1/6. Jaleel, we're now over to you. Express the ratio 6 to 96 in the simplest form. Markeda, want to try?
No, thank you,
It's
miss.
1 to 16. Jaleel, what's the perimeter of a square if the area is 64 centimeters squared? Question passes to you. Markeda, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. 32 centimeters.
That is correct. Jaleel, what is 1.65 divided by 100? Question passes to you, Markeda. Want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. 0.0165.
That is correct. Jaleel, what is 154 divided by 11? Question passes to you, Markeda. Want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. 14.
14 is right. Jaleel, what is 9 minus 3 1/5? Question passes to you, Markeda. Want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's 5 4/5. That takes us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Sahai Henry of Naggo Head Primary. Sahai is up against Adrienne Nelson of Seaward Primary. Sahai, which part of a plant is the carrot? Is it the flower, stem, or root?
Stem.
That's incorrect. Adrienne, want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
That's incorrect as well. It's the root. Sahai, what's another name for a leaf blade? Question passes. Adrienne, want to try?
No.
It's lamina. Sahai, complete this statement using the correct word. The end of a battery cell is called a? Adrienne, want to try?
No.
It's terminal. Sahai, what's the name for the transfer of pollen from the stamen to stigma? Question passes to you, Adrienne. Want to try? It's pollination. Sahai, what specific energy is generated when flowing water is used to turn a generator? Adrienne, want to try?
Yes, miss. Kinetic.
Can you say it a little louder, please?
Kinetic.
Kinetic is incorrect. It's hydroelectric energy. Adrienne, we're now over to you. Which part of the sugarcane is eaten? Is it the flower, the stem, or the root?
Stem.
That's correct. Adrienne, what's another name for a leaf stalk? Question passes. Sahai, want to try?
No, thank
It's the
you.
petiole. Adrienne, complete this statement using the correct word or term. The area around a magnet that has a magnetic force is its? Question passes to you, Sahai. Want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
magnetic field. Adrienne, what's the name for the joining of male and female cells inside the ovule of a flower? Question passes. Sahai, want to try? It's fertilization. Adrienne, how would the image of your face be seen from the inside of a shiny spoon that's not close up?
Clear.
Sorry?
Clear.
Clear is incorrect. Sahai, want to try? Correct answer is upside down. That brings us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of English language. It's between Nathan John Keith of Naggo Head Primary. Nathan is up against Q Wayne Basco of Seaward Primary. Nathan, from which verb is the noun consolation?
Consolate.
That's incorrect. Q Wayne, want to try?
No, miss.
It's console or to console. Nathan, give a 5-letter verb starting with you, which is a synonym for join.
Unite.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of regular.
Irregular.
That's correct. What's the present participle of the verb to die, as in D-I-E?
Dying.
That's correct. Spell polygon.
Polygon. P-O-L-Y-G-O-N.
That is correct. Taking us now over to Q Wayne. From which verb is the noun condemnation?
Condemn.
That's correct. Give a 4-letter synonym starting with H for the word detest. Question passes. Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's hate. Q Wayne, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of comfortable.
Uncomfortable.
That's right. What's the past tense of think?
Thunk.
Say again?
Thunk.
Thunk is incorrect. Nathan, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. Thought.
Thought is correct. Q-Win, spell appreciation. Question passes. Nathan, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's appreciation. A-P-P-R-E-C-I-A-T-I-O-N. That takes us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Malik Howard of Naggo Head Primary. Malik is up against Saffron Ming of Seaward Primary. Malik, what's the name of the place in St. Catherine where horse racing takes place? Saffron, want to try?
Track.
That's incorrect. It's the Caymanas Park. Malik, what's the name given to a body of fresh water surrounded by land?
A pond.
That's incorrect. Saffron, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
a lake. Malik, what are two of the three colors of the Cuban national flag? Question passes. Saffron, want to try?
Red, blue, and white.
So is that a judge? Is that correct or incorrect? All right, so we asked for two colors. You gave us three, so that's incorrect. Two of those would have been correct. Malik, in which sport did Richard Shrimpy Clark represent Jamaica?
Track and field.
That's incorrect. Saffron, want to try?
Cricket.
That's also incorrect. It's boxing. Malik, what's the capital of El Salvador? Question passes. Saffron, want to try?
No, thank
It's San Salvador. Saffron, over to you. What's the name of the place in St. Anne where motor racing takes place? Malik, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you, miss.
Dover or Dover Raceway. Saffron, what's the name given to a wide curved inlet of the ocean, sea, or lake? Passes to you, Malik. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's bay. Saffron, what are two of the three colors of the national flag of Bahamas? Malik, want to try?
No, thank you.
The colors are black, blue, and yellow or gold. Two of those would have been accepted. Saffron, in which sport did David Weller represent Jamaica at the Olympics? Question passes. Malik, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
cycling. Saffron, what's the capital of Nicaragua? Malik, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Managua. Managua is the correct answer. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Seaward Primary on -2, Naggo Head Primary on 15. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return from this break.